How to make her miss you. Gentlemen, in my previous video, I've talked about how to make a woman think about you non-stop. But let's not stop there. Let's make this woman miss you too. And the steps I'm going to share with you today are simple but effective. So without further ado, let's get started. Don't always make it look like you're available. How to do this. Allow her to make the first move. Don't always be the one to send her a message or give her a phone call. If you do, she will not make an effort to get in touch with you. And in fact, she will lose interest in pursuing you if you are still in the early stages of dating. People love the chase, and taking this out in the dating game will make her lose that interest in winning you. Why? She will feel less challenged and think that you're easy to get because you're not giving her enough challenges. The no contact rule, as they call it, is one of the most effective techniques in attracting a person or getting an ex back. The same goes with trying to make someone miss you. By using this strategy to make her miss you, you'll make her more interested and fall for you deeper. Not making the first move will make her work harder to pursue you. If you two are still in the dating stage, you will know that a person is interested to be with you when she tries her best to make the initiative to contact or get in touch with you first. In this case, she'll also find it more challenging to chase you, and thus she'll become more excited. Watch out. Is she coming to you for dates or always trying to connect with you? Then that's also a good sign that this person is falling for you. You should play hard to get. Playing hard to get is one of the most effective ways of making someone miss you. Just as I've said earlier, people love the chase. They are hunters, and it runs in their blood to pursue the woman who gives them a challenge. If you want her to think about you all the time, don't let her think that you're easy to get, or else she'll find you less interesting because you don't give her that chance to work hard, push herself harder to win you. Play a little hard to get. However, it doesn't mean you must play games, though. Don't have a lack of self-confidence whether you're still in the seduction phase or further into your relationship. Avoid feeling uncertain or doubting if this person really likes you or if she is only playing games or flirting. Play a little hard to get. Did I say that again? You should keep your options open and be clever about the time you're spending with her. Don't make her think that she has you too soon. You should allow her to prove her intentions. Thus, you must not commit to the relationship until you're certain that this person is not playing games. In short, don't fall for her so easily that you might end up feeling hurt. Take your time and allow the both of you to get to know each other. A relationship built on good friendship is rewarding in the end. You should say no to her from time to time. Saying yes all the time whenever she asks you out or whenever she wants to be with you won't help if you want her to miss you. It would just give her the impression that you're easy to get. Just as we discussed earlier, you must allow her to take the initiative and that you must give her the chance to prove that she is serious. A part of it, give her a challenge. You must say no to her from time to time. This is a good idea, especially if you don't want her to lose interest. This might happen if you seem to be always available for her, especially if you two have just started getting to know each other. You must show that you are a bit inaccessible. This will make you more attractive to her, and she will see you more of someone that is worth working hard for. Show her a bit of a distance early in the relationship in particular. In this case, she'll develop a deeper feeling for you. As she'll find you more intriguing, she'll work harder to pursue you so that she won't risk losing you to another person. Give her that feeling that she can't live without you. In some cases, this person might not be looking to have a serious relationship with you in the beginning. That is why women should encourage the person to invest in her, give her time, do what makes her happy, and try to always be with her. By succeeding here, she'll think that her life is happier and more fulfilling with you in the picture. She'll start to think that her life will be gloomy and boring at the same time without you. Making her feel that life is better with you than without, you can discover if she is serious about you too. Making her miss you will also help to make your relationship flourish. That is why it would be wise to make her think about and miss you often. And what's the better way to do this than not to make yourself always available? Whenever you spend time together, make it memorable. Do you want this person to miss you because you are also starting to develop feelings for her? Do you want her to always want to be with you? Make sure that the times you two spend are worthwhile. In this case, she will want to spend more time with you. Thus, she'll exert more effort to be with you. This is one of the most effective ways to make her miss you because it will make her develop deeper feelings for you. That's why when together, see to it that you'll have a great time and enjoy each other's company. In this case, she will always think of you and want to be with you when you're not there. She'll start missing your presence when you're not around. Via text, you can also remind that person how much she wants to be with you. But you may be thinking how this is possible, right? Well, you can use a little flirting here. You can make promises about an exciting next meeting. In this case, you can be sure that you will stay in her head and feel more excited as the day approaches. You can also use social media to post your lovely pictures, and from time to time ensure that you send her a text message so that you remain in her mind. Using this technique, you can be sure that you don't only linger in her mind, but she also looks forward to spending more time with you soon. Not just in dating, but this tip will also work for people in a long-distance relationship. For sure, the love of your life can't help but think of you and want to be with you as soon as possible. Don't contact her. Another simple yet effective tip to make her miss you, I know this can be hard to do, is not to text or call her. You should not also send her private or direct messages on social media. Silence can make this person miss you. Don't commit the same mistake as other ladies who show so much interest in this person that they cannot stop contacting them. Do not be clingy if you're already in a relationship. If you're in the dating or seduction stage, you should not show too much presence. Instead, you must allow for space so that she can develop her feelings of missing you even more. By not being present, you'll make her long for you, and you'll make her think about you. In short, you must give her the chance or the opportunity to miss you. Make her feel again that you're inaccessible or that you're not easy to get. By doing so, she'll try her best to make an effort just to get near you. This is one of the secrets if you want to succeed at flirtation too. Build an emotional bond with her. Show that you're different from the rest, someone that listens, someone that cares, and someone that understands. However, you must sincerely do it. Don't just listen, care, or understand because you want to flirt with her. Instead, you must do it because you really care, listen, and understand. So whenever you two are bonding and spending quality time, you must see to it that you're building a genuine emotional bond. This kind of relationship will make a man more attracted to you because they can see you as someone who can share their real feelings and emotions without being judged. After all, communication is one of the most crucial aspects of any relationship. Plus, most people want to be heard out when they express their feelings and thoughts. In short, be that one that they can lean onto whenever they need listening ears. This will establish a high-quality connection that will make her want to be near you, especially in challenging times. The bottom line is this. If you want to make this person miss you, make yourself seemingly inaccessible. Don't be clingy, and don't be the first one to make the initiative to contact her. For more contents like this, click here to subscribe.